Konting bilang. Okay.
Okay.
Bilang to Friday.
Ricky May, this is the last night of Direct this week. I know medyo emotional din yung naging eulogy kanina. How was it?
Sobrang emotional. Kasi yung last night, ginawa naming family tribute. So we really heard from people na very, very close to Papa, that were even with him, until he took his last breath niya. So grabe yung emotion. Kasi grabe din yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman namin sa mga tao na and I'm sure na si Papa, sobrang kinikilig yun na watching, listening, and everything.
Sino-sino mga nagbigay namin?
Number one is si Tito Bebeth, si Director Lito Sigurina. We also heard from the producer of yung last play na ginawa ni Papa na Silver Lining, si Sir Jack Riodito. Tapos si Janine, yung cousin ko, Janine Gutierrez. So she really shared a lot of moments nung bata kami, yung mga funny moments niya kay Papa, tapos naging director niya sa mga shows niya sa GMA. Tapos the rest is family, my sister, me, my mom. Yeah, it's really more of the close family and family and close friends.
Ikaw?
Siyempre nagsalita.
Ikaw, ano yung mga memories mo kay Direct sa Papa?
Sobrang dami talaga. Pero kanina yung mga sinishare ko is na si Papa kasi hindi siya yung ma-express na grand gesture. Pero actually, may dala akong PowerPoint presentation. Nag-show ako, nagpapakita ako ng mga screenshots of our messages na yung mga mundane things, yung mga maliliit na bagay. Pero si Papa ginawa, doon niya pinakita yung pagmamahal niya. Just even as simple as checking on us, how are you? Or actually, nag-joke kami, yung nagtatanong siya, may chichirya pa ba? Yung mga ganun, yung mga, it's showing lang na he thinks of us. And he's always looking out for us as friends. So yun yung mga shinare ko, yung mga small moments of how I felt my dad's love.
And how would you like him to be remembered?
Parang si Papa, he is, parang binigay na namin sa publiko. He gave himself to the public from theater, actor, director. I want him to be remembered, of course, for sa lahat ng mga ginawa niya sa industriya. Pero I think people will really remember yung puso niya. Kasi no joke talaga yung outpour of love na we got from all his friends. Iba talaga yung puso ni Papa talaga yung nasa-stand.
And ano na lang yung message mo sa lahat na nagpakita ng suporta, pagmamahal sa pamilya ninyo during this difficult time?
Actually, kanina, may list talaga ako kasi, Papa was in the hospital for 5 months. Hindi kami nakalabas ng hospital. Hindi siya nakalabas ng hospital. And throughout those 5 months, ang daming tao na bumisita, ang daming tao na tumulong through their time, their words, their advice. Yung iba dun sila, Tito Tirso, Tito Pip, Tita Lynn, Tita Ami Austria, yung mga friends niya in showbiz, Christopher De Leon, but also, his friends from GMA, yung mga EP, yung mga, everyone talaga, parang, ang daming, sobrang thankful talaga yung family na sa lahat ng pagmamahal kay Papa. Also sharing it to you, that we were able to take him home. And he was able to stay in the house for 1 week. So, kasi yun talaga yung hope ko na uwi namin si Papa because I don't want him to in the hospital. So, yung last moments namin is when we had an idea na medyo, the doctor said, say your goodbyes. We each went in the room. We talked to him individually. And he was not able to, because he was medicated na rin. His eyes were closed, pero alam mo, he had tears falling from his eyes. So, ako alam ko na narinig niya ako. And I actually shared na ako, yung last words ko kay Papa is, thank you for being the best Papa. And I will always be your baby. And yung last words ko sa kanya.
When we could
Before the hospital. communicate better, nag-check lang siya sa akin eh. How are you? Kasi syempre ako, I didn't want, ayoko siyang i-bother, parang relax ka lang dad, we'll play music for you. Just, you know, para we just want him to be relaxed. Yung mga pinapag-usapan namin was actually mga taping ko. Kasi at that time, I was still shooting with those war. So, I would show him my kasi parang ma-distract din siya. Parang, tingnan mo yung scene ko, what do you think? Si Papa, director yun eh. So, whether good or bad, sabihin niya sa akin, so, nagbibigay siya ng feedback, nagbibigay siya ng tips sa akin. So, yun din yung mga bonding moments namin na hindi ko na makakalimutan. Kasi he really loved what he did talaga.
Up to the very end of the report in that hospital, like you're supposed to be a super
Yes.
Opo, you feel bad about it.
He did. He really did. Because wala talaga akong masabi sa work ethic ni Papa. Even when he was starting to have issues with his neck at home, nagbabasa pa rin siya ng script. Kasi he's waiting pag okay na siya, bubuo siya ulit. And he had to actually turn down or actually pull out from some projects kasi hindi na rin siya mahintay because of matagal na rin talaga. But you know, he was able to finish 2 movies last year. Tapos actually now, lalabas pa siya sa isang show na it hasn't shown yet in GMA. Kasi she's really such a good person. And yung nangyari sa kanila ni Papa, matagal na rin naman kasi siya na iwalay siya. Pero syempre may awkwardness, may ano. So ako, bilang anak, masaya lang ako na before he passed, they were able, or she was able to say her piece. And I think that they were able to be at peace with kung ano man yung nangyari sa kanila. And my mom really gave a beautiful eulogy honoring my dad, not just as you know, yung dati niyang partner, pero bilang tatay, bilang lolo, and bilang tao na para kumbaga a person na she learned so many things from along the way. Yes, actually lahat po ng mga speeches today, you really feel the love po para kay Mama.
So Ricky, will you continue your dad's legacy? Tutuloy mo.
You know, ang hirap, no, to say na yes, kasi Ricky Davao yan eh, di ba? Parang, but I will do my best to make him proud. Kasi, you know, there can only be one Ricky Davao, there can only be one Belita Corrales. Pero I will take whatever, yung kung ano man yung natutunan ko sa daddy ko, and I will use it to make my own name and to make him proud with whatever I do. Thank you.
Ang ilo.
Yes. Gulat ako sa lights. Ganun pala, nagiging sweat.